Hi guys, here is the second part of our free fall problem that we did together. So now my little brother is throwing my phone out of the window. So let's change that little sketch. This is now a phone being thrown out the window. So we want to determine the velocity of the phone right before it hits the ground. So that means we're looking for the final velocity. And it also wants us to determine the time it takes for the phone to fall. So just to keep things consistent in my sketch, I'm still saying down is positive and up is negative. Again, you could have reversed it. That's totally okay. Now the window is still 16.6 meters above the ground, so that is still our displacement. The phone, just like the gaming system, will be in free fall. So the acceleration is 9.8 meters per second squared downward. Instead of dropping it though, my little brother throws the phone down. So the phone has an initial velocity of 5.0 meters per second. And I can leave it positive even though it's down because I've indicated in my problem that I'm saying positive is down. Down is positive. So we can use the equations just like we did in the previous part of this problem. So I will first use VF squared. Here, let's make this a little bit more organized. VF squared minus VI squared equals 2A delta X. I'm looking for the VF squared. My VI this time is 5. Still have the same acceleration, and I still have the same displacement. So just a little bit of math. 2 times 9.8 times 16.6 plus 5 squared, which is 25. And then I square root. And now the final velocity of the phone right before it hits the ground is 18.72 meters per second. And I'll box that because that's my final answer for that part. And now the second part asks about the time of fall. And again, you can use either of the other two equations. Just to make sure I'm not increasing a math error, I'm going to use the equation that does not involve the final velocity that I solved for. So that's delta x equals VIT plus 1/2 AT squared. So I still have 16 point, oh, I'm not going to do that. Don't do that. The reason I'm not going to do that, so I'll write it out so you can see, just as a reminder. We would end up having to solve a quadratic equation. And if you're into quadratic equations, go for it. I am not. So just kidding. I'm real confident about my VF. So I will use VF minus VI equals AT. 18.72 minus 5 equals 9.8 times T. So some math off to the side here. And I will find that the time it takes to fall is 1.4 seconds. And there you have it.